Time for one of our world-famous shootouts between the two hottest and most desirable hatches currently available.
We're talking about the BMW 130i M Sport and the Volkswagen Golf R32. The flagship Golf is a subtle affair, lightning quick with nearly 250 horsepower from its 3.2-litre V6. It costs nearly £25,000. The top-spec BMW 1 Series is about £3 more, but it's slightly more powerful and slightly quicker to 60. It's got rear-wheel drive compared to the Golf's four-wheel drive. So, which will be faster around the track? We'll start with the Golf.
Now, this R32 is a car you just fall instantly in love with, quite simply because of the growl of that V6 under the bonnet. 246 horsepower and rose growls. Of course, the great thing with this four-wheel drive is that Volkswagen can set the chassis to be more neutral on turning. It doesn't have the understeer inherent in front-wheel drive cars. So it turns into the corner just like a rear-wheel drive car. You then get a little bit of oversteer, which you can catch and get the power in early. Then all the power goes back to the front wheels, and you get that acceleration out of the corner once they're straight. It's got a slightly notchy gearbox. The one little tiny complaint must be that. But otherwise, it's just smile on your face.
Keeping it neat and tidy for a lap, it sets a target time of 56.36 seconds. Over to the BMW.
No doubt that if I'm going to get the best lap time out of this BMW, it's going to be a harder car to drive right at the limit because all that power goes to the rear wheels. I think before I set a lap time, I'm just going to have a little play. Oh, one way and the other. And I've held it. Oh dear, joy of joys. A bit of opposite lock one way, then the other. Oh! Well, that's a bit too much, I fear. Still, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Time, I think, to calm down, look for that perfect lap time to try and beat a very impressive R32.
By radar, the BMW's a tenth of a second behind the Golf. With the rear tyres spinning on the damp surface, the gap increases to 0.2 at the hairpin. But the BMW is quicker through the final high-speed S and finishes just 1/10 behind.